Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. Now we're doing an update of a 3-bedroom HMO with ensuite conversion that we're doing for one of our clients based in Hong Kong. Now what you'll notice is we're actually in the first bedroom of the property that we converted. This used to be the front actual reception room. And what you'll notice behind me is that all first fix joinery has finally been completed, which is great. So we've got the actual layout of the ensuite been done. We've got the support back into the wall over there as well. So we've had to chop through there for the actual ensuite. So you'll notice that we've got the ensuite over here. We've got the shower tray going over here. We're gonna have the basin over here, and we're gonna have the toilet over here as well. Now we dug out the soil stack, which I'll where the soil pipe is actually going to go through. So I'll discuss that in a moment. We've got first fix electrics has all been completed. Just waiting on the plumbers to actually come in to actually do first fix plumbing on there. So that way we can get this all plasterboarded out and we can actually get it ready for the plaster stage, which is going to be the second phase of the actual build. Now what you'll notice over here as well, we've actually partitioned this off. What will happen is on the other side, we'll have all fireboarding put in place to protect that, because we're gonna have the kitchen just behind the communal area, which we'll discuss that in a moment. Let's jump into the communal area so we can see what's actually happened in there, because there's quite a lot that's actually happened. Okay, so we're in the actual communal area. The kitchen's just behind the actual camera over there. What you'll notice, we've actually kept the chimney stack in here. We took it out in that actual bedroom over there to just open up the space. It makes a huge difference. We didn't actually need to do that here. So we're gonna have the TV over here. We've got the area already installed with the TV. This will all be covered and it'll just look nice and floating on the wall, just like all our HMOs do. What we have done is obviously we've got the actual trench dug out over here for the actual soil pipe that's going in. So the soil pipe will go in from the toilet all the way straight out. Now it's important whenever you put in soil stacks is that you actually make sure the journey from where it is to where it needs to go is as straight line as possible. You want the minimal amount of junctions or curves or anything like that within your soil stack to get the waste out as easily as possible. So you don't want that being disturbed, otherwise blockages could occur. So straight line is straight out to where it needs to be, into the main drain sewage system. And that's obviously all this soil is just gonna go back into here, cover it up, and obviously be signed off by building regs as well. You'll notice as well, we've taken some of the ensuite into this bedroom, into this communal area. This will all be fireboarded as well. And that way we can actually comply with fire safeties. But what we are doing is we're segregating off the actual kitchen communal. Rather than opening it up like we normally do, we're actually going to be segregating that off with the FD30 fire door and any fireboarding on the ceilings that are needed, and also any walls and underneath the stairs as well. So that'll be all protected, plus obviously extra fireboarding from here. That's going to be needed by fire regs to comply with local fire regulations as well. Let's jump into the kitchen, have a look at that. Okay, so we're in the kitchen at the moment. Nothing really has been done here apart from first fix electrics. We've got the plumbing to come in. That's going to be the next major thing that does need to get done in here. But what we have done is we've broken through the actual wall to the right over there, so we can actually put the doorway in, and we're going to be blocking up where the actual original doorway is. The reason why we've done that is just so we can put more counter space over there, make use of that space rather than just dead space. Behind me, we're going to have the actual utility room, where we're going to have obviously your washing machine, your washing machine. You're also going to have your fridge, freezer in there as well, so we can do any laundry, and this will be purely cooking area. So I have the oven and hob in here, counter space, so it'll be a nice, big, open actual kitchen in here as well. As I said before, we'll actually be segregating this off, so there'll be fire doors and FD30 doors in there as well. It'll be nicely done. Let's jump upstairs and have a look what's actually been happening with the 2 bedrooms upstairs. All right, so we're in the second bedroom, which is upstairs in the middle of the property. You'll notice that we haven't broken through any walls in here. We also haven't taken out the chimney stack to open up. The bedroom is big enough as it is, but what happens is we didn't have enough space to actually put the ensuite in here. It would be too small for our liking. And then so what's actually happened is we've actually put an off suite, which is the original bathroom. That's going to stay as a bathroom, but they'll have this as a key solely for them to use that bathroom, okay? We do it when the actual bathroom is not big enough to create a bedroom out of it. In this case, that is the case where we can't actually do that. We can't utilize it for anything else. So it's better that we just actually create that as an off suite. It'll work very, very well, and a lot of the tenants do prefer it as well. So what we have is, again, first fix electrics in here. That's pretty much all that's been done. TV is going to be located over here. We'll have the actual desk over here as well. So we've got a plug socket there for the actual obviously the desk there for any electronics that actually need to be used as well. Let's jump into the last bedroom, have a look at what's been happening there. Okay, so we're in the final bedroom now, bedroom number 3 with the ensuite. You'll notice to the right of me, we've got the joinery's been completed with first fix joinery. Also got first fix electrics all finished, which is great. Again, just for simply first fix plumbing that needs to be done in here so we can get this all plastered out. Okay, so pretty much that's all been done in here. You'll also notice to the left of me, we've actually, what we're doing is creating this nice flat wall so the bed can actually go against it. Be able to put some storage space up here as well, which is nice. But then we've got the actual TV is going to be right in front of it, directly in front of me right now. So it's going to work very, very nicely. And this is a nice large sized bedroom. We didn't have to break through any walls, didn't have to put any extra support in there. So it's going to work brilliantly. And I'm very, very happy with the result that's actually happened there. Now, if you guys actually want to profit from UK property, please make sure that you head to jenicproperty.com where you can book in a free call with one of our team so we can see how we can help you start replacing your income so you can redefine your retirement one property at a time. Head to jenicproperty.com, you can book in a free call, we'll look at your strategies, your short-term, long-term goals, and how you can start leveraging your capital in UK property with minimal time involvement from yourself. We take care of the whole process there for you. Otherwise, head to Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn at Property with Nic Clark. You can follow me there on what we're doing, current refurb updates, any property knowledge that I'll be sharing. But otherwise, thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notified every Wednesday at 6 p.m. for new videos uploaded for Refurb Wednesdays. Thanks for watching. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property.